coming in.
Stuff. Like, I just threw it in here.
It's really neat. Okay, because this is huge. Oh, you have kids?
I have 3 kids.
3 kids. This is amazing. I see the beginnings of something great.
3 kids.
Which one? I bet I ran into him last night at the dance thing or something. How old?
She's 12.
Okay.
James' dog. He keeps walking around with a dog.
Yeah, with the long hair. He's a cute guy. He was in the dance-off contest with us last night. We had like a dance contest.
Yes,
Yes.
And Kale's my youngest. He's the introvert.
Okay, the introvert. I'm an introvert. I'm just not shy. I'm just, I drain when Yeah. Some introverts are shy. So Skoolie. Look at this. Okay, so it's open.
And it's such a cool, open, fresh air.
So, okay.
You're standing in the kitchen right now.
I'm in our kitchen.
So the sink will be here.
Okay.
There'll be a countertop here, and that's the fridge.
So you have it all mapped out.
Yeah.
Where do you all stay now? Are you on some land or
Upstate New York.
on the land, or you have your property? Okay. This is so amazing.
And we're doing it together. So I'm teaching them how to use the grinding tool to cut this hole. Like I had to put the hole in the roof.
Okay, yeah. Oh, you did that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I had them put the caulk on here and the furniture strips here. I mean, it's dry now, so it's good.
Wow. Okay.
And then frame it out and get some electrical done and
get all this. Are you capturing this on Facebook as you say, or where you put it? Instagram?
I put this on Instagram. I mean, I do Facebook too. But
Can we follow you on Instagram?
Absolutely.
What's
you
the
can do both.
What's the
My
Instagram?
Instagram is Unpredictable Journey.
Unpredictable Journey. And what's the
My Facebook is Amanda Jade.
Amanda Jade? Is it Jade?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll be following your journey of a schoolie. I tried to get
Unpredictable Journey.
I love it.
That's our life.
Unpredictable journey, but it's a heck of a journey. I saw your kids out last night dancing, having fun.
They are.
I even saw somebody climbing a tree, but I'm not telling on them. They were having a,
That's the girl.
No, it was the boy. The boy. He was up there, but he was having a good time and he didn't hurt himself. I love this, and I see the beginnings of everything. Thank you so much for bringing me into your home.
Yeah.
Now I have to show you my minivan, but wait till I clean it up because
This is lived in.
but you have this is.
Kids are bringing other kids.
So it's
Sometimes I come in, there's 10 kids.
kids in there. Okay, you're like, look, get out. Say right now. Thank you so much for the quick little tour. This is Unpredictable Journey. And she has 3 kids in this bus, and she decided to go for it. And so follow her unpredictable journey with her 3 kids. This is a very, very large bus, and I see the making of it in here. You have a lizard. I see the making. Is it easy driving this thing or not?
I can open the side here.
Yeah, that would be cool to open the side door. Van life, bus living, RV. I like this. This has kind of got an Airstream feel to it. Look, yeah, it is huge. And then everywhere you park is your backyard, right?
Yep.
And who painted the bus red?
It came like that.
Oh, cool. It came red.
Yeah. If you look in the right lights, it still says activity transport. I gotta scrub it off.
Okay. Put unpredictable journey.
Yep.
You have to carve it in there and all that good stuff. This thing is huge.
Yeah.
Does it run good?
Yep.
Okay.
Sure. It came from a company with meticulous maintenance records.
How long would this bus
I
go?
test drove about a dozen before I picked this one.
You did test drive. Okay. How many miles would this go? 500, 1,000, or millions of miles, or
Like
whatever?
the engine itself?
Yeah. Forever.
There's about 500.
500,000 miles. Wow.
Mine's at 200.
Oh, so you got 300 miles of journey. Unpredictable journey. I love that. I'm Joy Route. My channel is Joy Route because I'm taking the Joy Route. It's not the fastest route. It's not. I don't look at the kids. It's not the smoothest route, but it's the Joy Route. Follow her unpredictable journey.